Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel guys. Well, first of all guys, I want to officially say Merry Christmas to you all. Hopefully you guys are having a good time wherever you're at. It is officially Christmas here on the East Coast of the United States. And hopefully you're celebrating with loved ones or just having a good time whatever you're doing. Alright guys, today we're going to get into the daily Bitcoin update, the daily XRP update, daily XLM update, daily Jasmy update, and the crypto market update in general guys. So let's start off by taking a look at the top 100 bubbles, see what the day is looking like. Well, it looks like we're definitely having a Santa rally guys. Hopefully you've been listening to my videos. If you guys would have seen my videos, you guys would have known that there was definitely a really good chance that we were going to get a Santa rally. Nothing is 100%. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, tomorrow in crypto, but we could definitely see the probabilities, what the data shows, and that's what I show here on my videos on the channel, guys. So if you guys would have been watching my previous videos, you would definitely know that we were probably going to get the Santa rally, and looks like we are getting the Santa rally, guys. Looks like everything in the top 100 is green. Well, I mean, just about everything. I mean, I do see a little bit of red bubbles. Surprisingly, Caspa is down 3.5% for the day. We got Virtual Protocol down 4.8% for the day. XDC is down 4% for the day. Yeah, but most of the bubbles are green. Looks like the meme coins are starting to surge again. We got Fart Coin. It's up 59.8% for the day. We got Penju, the Pudgy Penguin, is up 17.6% for the day. Move, 20.2% for the day. So yeah guys, looks like we're definitely bouncing back, getting a Santa rally. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, see what Bitcoin is doing at the time of recording. So current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $98,260. Looks like we are starting to trend upwards. We did get as high as $99,444 earlier today, and we did end up closing the December 24 trading day at $98,594. So that's really good, guys, that we closed above $98,000 because we got a lot of support right here at 97,005. So hopefully we could flip this 97,005 into support, and and continue upwards, guys. And I do believe we will. I believe it's going to be a slow grind, but here, at any day we are going to pop off, and start going parabolic again, guys. We are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But the market maker likes to shake everybody out. I mean, the market maker does just enough to shake everybody out, about 99% of the people out, and that's what they love to do. And then they continue with the bull run, guys. So hopefully you've been watching my videos, showing you how history repeats. History repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. So history is repeating again. It looks like we are getting a Merry Christmas rally, guys. So yeah guys, so this is good for Bitcoin. I do see Bitcoin grinding upwards, and don't be surprised if the market maker decides to do one last shakeout, because that's what the market maker loves to do. I mean, I really it's unlikely, but I mean, you never know with the market maker. There could be one last shakeout, to 92,000 again. Just to get everybody fearful again, saying, oh, the rally failed, that's it, we're going down, we're headed to lower prices, maybe the bear market's going to start, maybe the bull run is over. But don't let the market shake you out, just in case we have one last shakeout, guys. I don't think it'll happen. I think 92,000 will hold, but you never know with the market maker. There might be one last shakeout, one last quick flash crash to like 94,000 or 92,000, just to scare everybody out, get all the weekends out, let everybody sell out of the position, and then the insiders, all the millionaires, they'll come in and buy the lower prices, and they'll make millions in 2025, guys. So don't be that guy that sells your Bitcoin or your favorite cryptocurrency if there is one last shakeout, guys. Just remember, guys, just one last shakeout, just the market maker shaking everybody out, and then probably we'll start going parabolic, guys. So yeah, guys, I don't think that's going to happen, but just throwing it out there, just warning you guys, just in case there is one last shakeout, guys. So my next price target for Bitcoin is about 100,000. We got to keep grinding up. We almost hit 100,000. We did get as high as 99,444. We got to flip 100,000 into support again, like we did it for 3 days. But now it's back into resistance. So we got a few days. 100,000. We flipped 100,000 a few days into support, not 3 days. But we got to flip 100,000 back into support, guys. Once we get it back 100,000, and we could build it as support, then the parabolic bull run will continue. But right now we gotta first flip $100,000, guys. That is a psychological wall. It's a psychological number for a lot of people. So we gotta get above 100,000 first, and then from there on, I'm sure we'll continue to higher prices, guys. Now let me show you on previous cycles. If you've been watching my videos, you would know that I've been showing this. But in case you're new to the channel, let me show you how how history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. Let me go up to the 2020 cycle for Bitcoin and show you how history is repeating. I do believe this 2024 cycle for Bitcoin is mimicking the 2020 cycle, almost to the T. Not exactly, but it is very, very similar, guys. Both cycles started, mooning on November 5th, the election days. And it's been going into price discovery ever since. And now I do believe we had a correction a few days before Christmas on this 2024 cycle, but I do believe now we're gonna start going upwards. I do believe the worst is over. I do believe we're gonna keep going upwards. I do believe Bitcoin is gonna rally to higher prices and at least get to $120,000 before it has a major correction. There is a chance it could go as high as $140,000, but I'm being conservative. I do believe it'll get to at least above 120,000, and then it might have a 30% correction in Bitcoin. But for now, I do believe it's gonna rally to higher prices. All right, guys, I'm almost there. I'm just looking for 2020. Here I am. All right, guys. So here's 2020. This 2024 cycle is mimicking the 2020 cycle almost to a T. Look at this November 5th, 2020. Hopefully you can see it on the screen. Just like in the 2024 cycle, the November 5th candle was was green. See here, November 5th, 2024, green, and then we started going parabolic, to higher prices. This is the 2024 cycle. Now let's go to the 2020 cycle here. Also, November 5th. Before November 5th, we were just at lower prices going sideways. And then here on November 5th, 2020, we started going to higher prices, grinding up, and then we just continue to go upwards, And now here, December 16, we started to move more, and then we topped off here on December 19, made a local high of 24,200. Actually, we made it on December 20th, 24,300. And then we had a 10% correction, a few days before Christmas. So about 5 days before Christmas, we started the correction, and then went sideways. We bottomed out on December 21st, and then we went sideways for a few days, and then on Christmas Day we started going up to higher prices. So we made a new all-time high. Just barely made a new all-time high on Christmas Day, and then on the next day, December 26th, we definitely started going parabolic and blasting off. So let's compare it to the 2024 cycle. So again, here on this 2020 cycle, we topped off on December 20th, corrected, and bottomed out on December 21st, went sideways, and then on December 25th, we rallied up again. So let's see on 2024, see what it looks like. Whoops, 1 second. All right, here's 2024. So here, looks like we topped off on the 17th. The correction this time started on the 18th, December. The correction, the correction of the 2020 cycle was only 2 days, but on this 2024 cycle, it was actually 3, 4, 5, 6 days. Well, actually, it was only 3 days. So it was just 1 day extra because we bottomed out here on December 20th. We bottomed out at the local low of 92,115, and then we've just been going sideways. We've had more red days, but we've just been going sideways. We haven't gone below 92,115. On the 23rd, we did try to go lower at 92,360, but 92,115 held. So we've just been going sideways. And then until December 24th, we bounced back, but again, just going sideways. And now it's December 25th. Are we gonna continue to go up? That is the question, guys. Now let me show you again on on the 2020 cycle here. Okay, let me find it real quick. So here we are. We started correcting on December 20th. We bottomed out on December 21st. Coincidentally, it was one day. So remember, on the 2020 cycle, we bottomed out on December 21st, and then from there we had higher prices. Now let's see on this 2024 cycle. Looks like we bottomed out on December 20th. So just 1 day before the day we bottomed out on December 21st. And we haven't gone lower than 92,115. That was the lowest wick we had on December 20th, and on December 20. On the year 2024, we bottomed out on December 20th when we wicked down to 92,115, and very similar to December 20th, 2020, we bottomed out. Actually, it was December 21st, 2020. We bottomed out for that day, and then we went to higher prices, guys. We went sideways a few days, but I just want to show you it was just 1 day off. So on the 2020 cycle, we bottomed out December 21st, and on the 2024 cycle, we bottomed out December 20th. Okay, so it's just 1 day difference, guys. So just showing you how similar it is, how we're mimicking this 2020 cycle. So after we bottomed out on the year 2020, on December 21st, we went sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then we went started going parabolic. On basically on Christmas Day, we just made a new all-time high just barely, but really we started going parabolic on the 26th. So that was after about 4 or 5 days after we bottomed out. So here on this 2024 cycle, we bottomed out on December 20th. So it's been 1, 2, 3, 4 days. We're on our 5th trading days. So on the 4th day, we're starting to bounce back. So it's how many days until we go parabolic and go above 100 our current high of 108,388. I do believe we're gonna grind up. I don't know exactly how many days it's gonna be. I don't have a crystal ball, but I do. All I could do is look at probabilities, look at the data, look at the history, and like I just showed you, history shows, data shows that after you bottom out, like in the 2020 cycle here. We bottomed out. Okay, let me find it again. We bottomed out here on December 21st, and we went sideways a little bit for like 4 or 5 days, and then we just grinded up, and started going to higher prices. So on the 2020 cycle, it took 4 to 5 days after we bottomed out. So here we bottomed out on the 2024 cycle. We bottomed out December 20th. So it's been 4 days. So maybe one more day, grinding upwards. And then maybe on the 26th or 27th, we might see a new all-time high, guys. So basically what I'm trying to say is, history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. So it might take a few more days to get to a new all-time high above 108,000. But I do believe, we are mimicking the 2020 cycle. So I do see nothing but upside for Bitcoin. It is very unlikely to go back down again. Below 92,000. Don't be surprised if the market maker does it. But according to the data and to the history, there's 80% chance that we're gonna keep, going up to higher prices from here on. And pretty soon here in a few days, we should be making a new all-time high. There's only like a small chance, like a 20% chance, that the market maker is gonna, crash the market again, and maybe a wick down to 92,000 or lower. This is only like a very small chance, like a 20% chance. But there's more probability, about 80% chance, because we are mimicking the 2020 cycle, that we're gonna keep grinding up, guys, and the Santa rally is gonna continue. And I do expect higher prices from here on. And here in a few days, I don't know exactly what day, but I do expect a new all-time high above $108,000 by the end of the year for sure. It could be, as soon as tomorrow or the next day, or but definitely by the end of the year, I do expect 108,000. Actually, by the end of the year, I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be somewhere around $120,000. That's just my prediction, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just not financial advice. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. Learn to do your own research and only invest in the markets the money you're willing to lose, guys. But in my thoughts, in my analysis, the way I've been looking at the charts, I do believe Bitcoin is going to be at least around 120,000 by the end of the year, because like I've shown before, December is very bullish for Bitcoin, and December is always positive, at least anywhere around 30 to 40% above the November close. Now, the November close for this 2024 cycle was 96,400, right around there. So if the average December is 30 to 40% above the November close, let's just say it closes, it's about 30% green December above the November close. So 30% above 96,400 will be somewhere about like 125,000, whatever the exact math is right there. So that's why I'm saying I do expect Bitcoin to close the year around 120,000. So I do see a big push to the upside here at any day now. I do believe the Santa rally has begun, guys, and I do believe we're going to continue to higher prices, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Don't let the FUD shake you out. Don't be fearful. Have conviction on your coins. Remember the quote I showed yesterday about Warren Buffett. If you're feeling fearful, remember the Warren Buffett quote. Remember what he says. He says, "Be fearful when everybody's greedy, but be greedy when everybody's fearful." So people are fearful. If the chart showing you fearful things, then that's when you gotta be greedy, guys. But right now, guys, it looks like the Santa Claus rally is real, guys. So I do see higher prices, and at any day now, I do expect a new all-time high, guys. Could be tomorrow, the next day, or in a few days, but definitely by the end of the year. And like I said, my price target for the end of the year for Bitcoin is around 120,000, guys. So definitely stay bullish on Bitcoin, guys. Nothing but good things. And look at that, it's already climbing. It's already at 98,239. We closed at 98,594. So hopefully, we can make a higher close for this Christmas day, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on Bitcoin, guys. I see nothing but upside. I do believe the Santa Claus rally is going to be real, and we shall see Bitcoin above 100K pretty soon. And then hopefully here in a few days, at any time, we should see a new all-time high for Bitcoin above 108,000, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin, guys. So let's get right into the XRP update, guys. See what XRP is doing at the time of recording. Current price of XRP is $2.30. XRP has been doing really good. It managed to close December 24th at $2.32. The day before that, it closed at $2.25, so it's very good. It's closing higher. It looks like it's bouncing back. It's the chart's looking good. It's been already consolidating over like 2 weeks. Let's see how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So actually 3 weeks. It's been 3 weeks in consolidations, but it's bouncing back. But looks like 220. Is basically our support. It's been closing above 220, for a long time now. So, we keep closing above 220, so that's good. The That way, you know, we don't want XRP dipping below 220 on the daily closes, guys. So, you know, I do expect Bitcoin to rally, you know, to higher prices pretty soon. So that's going to pull up XRP and all the cryptos. So I do expect a moonshot for XRP at any time, guys. I mean, it's already been consolidating for 3 weeks. So don't be surprised if XRP starts moonshotting, guys. If you've been listening to my previous videos, you would know that I'm very bullish on XRP and XLM on this cycle, guys. Because XRP and XLM, they had a very bullish cycle in the 2017. Then they had a bearish cycle on the 2020 cycle because of Gary Gensler and the SEC, you know, because they sued Ripple, so that, you know, the XRP token was suppressed. But now Gary Gensler is out. You know, he already resigned. He's going to be out of office January 2025. We got a new pro-crypto SEC chair, Paul Atkins, coming in to take over. We got Donald Trump. He's a pro-crypto president. He's going to take over January 2025. You know, a lot of pro-crypto people coming into office in 2025. You know, Vivek Ramsay, Elon Musk. They're the leaders of Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, guys, and a lot of government positions, like, you know, in the House, in the Senate, and in the Congress. I think there's over like 270 positions that are going to be filled in 2025. New positions, or I mean, new people are going to fill the positions, and they're all, and these people are pro crypto, guys. So definitely, I'm very bullish on XRP and XLM, guys. And I do believe XRP and XLM, they're mimicking the 2017 cycle when they did over a 500x. So that's why I'm very bullish on XRP, guys. I don't think XRP could do a 500x like it did on 2017, but I do believe it could do at least 100x from the bear market low. That's why my bullish price prediction for XRP is around $30. The bear market low for XRP was around 30 cents. So, you know, 100x would be about $30. That's my bullish price prediction for XRP. And my realistic price prediction for XRP, I do realistically see XRP at least getting to around $15. So that's where I'm gonna sell some of my coins, some of my XRP. I'm gonna sell around around 15 bucks. You know, not all of them in case we see higher prices, but I am gonna lock in some profits around $15 for XRP, guys. I mean, that's a 50x, so that's pretty good profits. You got to lock in some profits. You know, you don't have to sell all your coins, but, you know, it would be a good idea, you know, to sell some coins, you know, to lock in some profits, guys. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. So, yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP. I do see a breakout is imminent. And, you know, once it breaks $2.90, my next price target for XRP is its current all-time high of $3.50. It might see a little bit of resistance at 350 because you know a lot of people bought that top in 2017 when you know, when it topped out at 350. A lot of people bought that hype. They bought that top, and you know, they've been holding for 7 years. So we might see a little bit of sell off at $3.50. You know, because some people are just gonna want to break even and get their money back. If they were smart, they would hold and not sell at 350. Because I mean, I do believe XRP is gonna get to way higher prices than 350. But some people are just gonna be lucky to get their money back. So some people are just gonna want to break even, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on XRP. I do believe an altcoin rally is imminent. You know, Bitcoin is about to break up to the upside. And I do see XRP following Bitcoin, guys. So remain bullish on XRP. So now let's get into the XLM update, guys. See what XLM is doing. Current price of XLM is 38,000. No, not 38,000. I'm sorry. I'm dreaming. I wish XLM was 38,000. I'd be a billionaire if XLM was 38,000. No, but just kidding, guys. XLM is at 38 cents at the time of recording, guys. Looks like, you know, just like XRP and most of the altcoins, XLM is bouncing back because Bitcoin is bouncing. We did manage to close the December 24th trading day for XLM at 40 cents. So that's a very good close. I mean, we definitely want to close, you know, above 41 cents because we had a lot of support here at 41 cents. But I do believe it's imminent. We should get above 41 cents anytime. I do see Bitcoin starting to rally, and it's going to go to higher prices. So that's going to pull up XLM too, guys, and most of the majority of the cryptos, guys. So yeah, XLM's already been consolidating over a month, guys. So I mean, XLM is definitely due for a moonshot, guys. But it's been doing really good. I mean, it was at 9 cents here on November 4th. So definitely, I mean, it's only been about a month and a half, and we're already at 39 cents and holding. So that's really good, guys. So I mean, remain bullish on XLM, guys. I do see higher prices coming in, and just like XLM, I do think it's going to have a great cycle, just like the 2017 cycle. I do believe XLM and XRP are mimicking the 2017 cycle. So that's why I see XLM, at least it could get to $3.50. That's like my bearish case scenario for XLM. I realistically think it could get to at least $3.50. But my bullish case scenario at the top of the bull run for XLM is around $7. If Bitcoin, gets anywhere near $250,000, I do see XLM topping off around $7, guys. But for sure, it could at least get to $3.50, guys. But again, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so, guys. But remain bullish on XLM, guys. Just like XRP, I do believe they're going to break to the upside pretty soon, and they're going to make new highs anytime now. As soon as Bitcoin, goes parabolic, the XRP, XLM will follow. And my next price target, once XLM breaks 63 cents, which is the current local top, is around 93 cents. There might be a little bit of resistance at 73 because it's the 2021 top. There might be a little bit of resistance at 73 cents, but I don't think there'll be too much. I think there'll be more resistance around 93 cents, which is the current all-time high for XLM, 93 cents, and made on December 2017. So a lot of people are going to want to sell at 93 cents just to get their money back. But again, guys, if they were smart, they would hold and wait for higher prices, because I'm pretty sure that XLM is going to go way above 93 cents, way above that. I could see it at least getting to 350 bearish case scenario, guys. So yeah, guys, that's my next price target for XLM is around 93 cents, guys. Could go as high as $1 here by the end of the year, but we'll see. Wait and see what happens. See how much they moonshot. We just gotta wait for Bitcoin to start rallying, and XRP and XLM will follow, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM, guys. And let's get right into the Jasmy update. Let's see what Jasmy is doing, guys. So the current price of Jasmy is 0.38, so almost 4 cents. We did manage to close the December 24th day at 0.39, so almost 4 cents. So that's good, guys. We got to get above 4 cents because we have a lot of resistance here at 4 cents. It was support. 4 cents was holding, but it dipped below 4 cents, so now it's resistance. So we might see a little bit of grind here for a couple days here at 4 cents. But once Bitcoin goes parabolic and goes to higher prices, I do see Jasmy crushing 4 cents easily. So we should get back above 4 cents at any time, guys. Just the same thing, as all the altcoins. We just gotta wait for Bitcoin to rally to higher prices, because we all know that Bitcoin is the father of all the altcoins, and the altcoins are the children. So the children follow the father. The children follow the father. So we gotta wait for Bitcoin to go to higher prices, and then the altcoins will follow, guys. That's just the way the crypto market works, guys. So definitely look for Bitcoin to get to higher prices, and the altcoin and Jasmy will follow too, guys. So yeah, guys, looks like we got 2 good green days for Jasmy. December 24th was a beautiful green candle to the upside, and the day before that too. So definitely looks like we're bouncing back, guys. And I do believe today or tonight sometime, or tomorrow, depending where you are in the globe. Over here it's already nighttime, so by tomorrow we should definitely hopefully see Jasmy about 4 cents, guys. Again, guys, in case the market maker does do one last shakeout just to get everybody fearful and scare everybody out, because that's what the market maker loves to do, loves to shake everybody out. Don't be shaken out though, guys. I do believe all these lower prices for altcoins will hold. I don't think we'll go below the local low of 28 cents. You know, if the market maker does one last shakeout, don't be shaken out. You know, have conviction on your coins. Just hold. And you know, here any day now, we are gonna start rallying to the upside. And I do believe the altcoin season is about to begin. It'll begin either here at the end of the year 2024, if not for sure in January of 2025. The altcoin season is right around the corner, guys. So definitely remain bullish on Jasmy and the altcoins, guys. My next price target for Jasmy is we gotta break 4 cents. And once we break 4 cents, you know, we gotta at least, you know, get back up to 6 cents, which is the current local high for Jasmy, 6 cents. And hopefully, you know, we could break 6 cents by the end of the year, and maybe be around 8 cents by the end of the year, guys. So if we manage to break 6 cents by the end of the year, I do see Jasmy being around 8 cents by the end of the year, guys. So remain bullish on Jasmy, guys. I see nothing but upside for Jasmy. I do believe the Santa rally is real. So I do believe, you know, we might stall out here for, you know, for like a day, but I do believe we're going to continue to higher prices at any time, guys. Could be later today, later tonight, tomorrow, the next day. But I do believe the Christmas rally is real, and we're going to continue to higher prices, guys. So stay bullish on Jasmy, guys. Now, I wanted to show you here Ethereum, guys, because you know Ethereum is like the number one altcoin. So you know the altcoin season usually starts when the Ethereum rally starts, and it looks like Ethereum, just like all the altcoins, is starting to rally. Current price of Ethereum is $3,493, and we did manage to close December 24 at $34.91. So I mean, we had a great close. You know, we got to just continue the rally so the altcoins follow, and you know, it did go as low as $3,095. So hopefully you guys bought that dip. I mean, I've been telling, you know, the last week I've been telling everybody to buy the dip. I told you guys to buy the dip, buy the altcoins before they pump, because I mean, you know, we know it's gonna pump. I mean, we're not gonna. I was telling you guys we're not gonna go into a bear market. This is just a shakeout. You know, it's gonna be a shakeout until Christmas. You know, the market maker loves to shake everybody out. That way, you know, new people or people that are fearful or very emotional, they sell out of the positions, and then they get left behind, guys. Then they go chase green candles and they buy in at higher prices, guys. But yeah, let me show you on Ethereum, guys, how what happened in the 2020 cycle, because you know once Ethereum starts mooning, that's when the altcoin season is going to start, guys. So definitely let me show you here on Ethereum. Just give me a few seconds here. It takes a while for me to get to the 2020 cycle. But yeah, guys, stay bullish on Bitcoin and cryptos. Looks like the Santa Claus rally is real. I think it's going to continue to the upside. I don't think we'll go lower than 92,000 anymore. I think that was the local bottom low for Bitcoin, and I do believe even if there's one last shakeout, just to shake out all the weak hands, I do believe it'll be like a quick V-shaped recovery, and we'll bounce back really quick, and then you know, we'll head to higher prices, you know, quickly by the end of the year. Because I do believe Bitcoin is going to close in the green for December. It always does. I mean, usually it does. I mean, nothing's 100%, but the probabilities are showing that Bitcoin is going to have like at least a 30% gains from November for December, guys. Okay, here's Ethereum on the 2020 cycle, guys. I want to show you guys. Okay, so we're on December 20th. Here on December 2020, just like in Bitcoin, you know, started the correction on the 2020 cycle. So here, you know, Ethereum started its correction. It bottomed out on December 23rd, and then let's see, when did it? Well, I forgot to check when it bottomed out on the 24th cycle, but I guess it doesn't matter. It's just a few days difference. But basically, I want to show you, you know, Ethereum here bottomed out on December 23rd, 2020, and you know, kind of went sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then it started, you know, making new all-time highs. So right now, the current the current high for Ethereum is $4,000. So maybe by the 27th, because here by the 27th, December 27, 2020, Ethereum started, you know, going to into new highs, and then it just started, you know, making higher prices. You know, even though it went sideways a little bit more, but by the beginning of the year, January 2nd, you know, made a new all-time high, and then it just went parabolic on January 3rd, guys. So you know, look how parabolic it went on January 3rd. So this is when I expect altcoin seasons to, altcoins are going to keep pumping. I'm not saying altcoins are not going to pump anymore. Altcoins are going to keep grinding up. Right now, the Bitcoin is going to keep grinding up. But as soon as Ethereum goes parabolic, that's when the true altcoin season will start. And I do expect all the altcoins to start going parabolic. You're going to see your favorite altcoins do 100% moves in one day. You're gonna be like, whoa, that's great. What's happening? Everything is mooning. So I expect that's why I've been. If you've been watching my previous videos, I've been saying that I expected a Christmas rally and a New Year's rally. So nothing has changed. My thesis has stayed the same. Since I've been making videos, I've been saying the same thing. For a month now, that the Christmas rally was going to happen and the New Year's rally was going to happen too. And now I'm saying that the altcoin season, the true altcoin season, is going to start right around early January, guys. On the 2020 cycle, it started in January 3rd, 2021. That's when Ethereum started going parabolic, and that's when the altcoin season truly started. That's when all the altcoins went parabolic. Because in the 2020 cycle, all the altcoins went parabolic when Ethereum went parabolic. So I expect something similar, guys. So yeah, guys, just to recap here, Ethereum had a major correction until December 23rd, went sideways, and then it wasn't until December 27th, where it started going above its local high, and then it started grinding upwards. Went sideways a little bit more, and then it wasn't until January 2nd and January 3rd when it went parabolic. So let's see what, hopefully that's going to be something similar. Here, let me go back to 2024. Just remember that it was 23rd when it bottomed out, and then, went sideways until the 27th, where it definitely made a new high, and then went parabolic on the January 2nd and January 3rd, 2021. So yeah, let's see here. So on the 2020 cycle, it bottomed out on 2020. On the 2020 cycle, it bottomed out on December 23rd. Let's see when Ethereum bottomed out, what day here on the 2024 cycle. We're almost there, guys. Bear with me here. Okay, here, we're here. So on the 2020 cycle, Ethereum bottomed out on the 23rd. But on this cycle, it looks like Ethereum bottomed out on the 20th. So it might be 3 days ahead, or it might just be a little bit of difference. So then on the 2020 cycle, it bottomed out on the 23rd, and then it went sideways for a little bit, and until the 27th, it made a new high. So here right now, the current local top here right now is 4,109 for Ethereum that it made on December 16, 2024. So I expect something similar. So we got Ethereum bottomed out on December 20th. So it's probably going to keep going sideways, maybe until December 27th, or right around there. It could be the 28th or the 29th. And then I do expect, it to start grinding up. And sometime by the end of the year, I do expect Ethereum to be above $4,100. I do expect Ethereum to make a new higher high above $4,109. So probably here, it's already the 25th trading day. So maybe in like 2 or 3 more trading days, Ethereum is probably going to start moving up. And here, maybe by the 28th, by the 29th of December, we should see Ethereum make a new high, around 4,100, plus. Definitely by the end of the year, guys, I do expect Ethereum to be, making new higher highs, and then that's going to trigger the altcoin season, guys. So I do expect the altcoin season to begin sometime by the end of the year. Could be the 29th, 30th, or 31st of December, or for sure, if it doesn't happen by the end of the year, then it could be in the beginning of 2025. It could happen in January 1st, 2nd, or 3rd. Sometime around there. So that's my time frame. Either 2 or 3 days before the end of the year, or 2 or 3 days after New Year's is when I see the Ethereum start going parabolic, making new higher highs, and that's going to trigger the altcoin season, guys. And then we're gonna head to higher prices, guys. So definitely, I can't wait to the altcoin season. If you've never been through a true altcoin season, guys, it's awesome. You're gonna see your favorite crypto go up 100% every day. 50% one day, 75% the next day, 100% the next day, and some altcoins are gonna end up doing like 10x's. Some altcoins will end up doing like 20x's. Some your favorite altcoins will do like 50x's, and some will even do 100x's. Some will do 200x's or 300x's, and very few, but there are some out there that will even do 1,000x's, guys, from their lows. I'm talking about from their lows. And hopefully hopefully you guys are lucky and have at least 1 or 2 1,000x's, guys. So definitely have conviction on your cryptos, guys. Don't get bearish. Right now it's not the time to be bearish. The Santa rally is real. And remember also, we're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and crypto. So this is not the time to be bearish, guys. I do expect higher prices for Bitcoin and cryptos, guys. And I do expect the true altcoin season to begin sometime either a couple days before the end of the year or a couple days after New Year's, guys, is when I expect the true altcoin season to begin. And that's when we'll start going parabolic. Let's check out, let's see what the price of Bitcoin is, if it's gone up in the few minutes. I haven't checked it. Okay, no, we're still about the same, 98,262. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance real quick. See what the Bitcoin dominance is looking like. Bitcoin dominance at the time of recording is 57.98%. It looks like it's going down. On December 20th, we did get as high as 59.92%. On dominance, but now it's going down, so that means we're bouncing back, guys. So we're definitely bouncing back on the cryptos because the dominance is going down. And like I've said on previous videos, we need the Bitcoin dominance to be at 55% or lower for the true altcoin season to begin. So we need to be 55% or lower, and we need to stay below 55 and go down as much as possible for the true altcoin season to begin, guys. So I do expect the Bitcoin dominance to be below 55 by the end of the year, and I do expect the true altcoin season to begin either 2 or 3 days before the end of the year or 2 or 3 days after New Year's, guys. It's when I expect the true altcoin season to begin, guys. So stay bullish on Bitcoin and cryptos, guys, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. Now, real quick, guys, wanted to share this article with you guys. Don't miss out on the Crow ecosystem, guys. If you don't know, the CRO token is Crypto.com token, and Crypto.com is an exchange. And I do see bullish things coming for Crypto.com in 2025, guys. It's been marketing a lot in 2024 and 2023, all through the bear market. It's been marketing itself. And now, the other day I reviewed how the CEO of Crypto.com, he had a meeting with Donald Trump. So, I mean, like the CEO of Crypto.com, I mean, he's in cahoots with Donald Trump. So I do expect, good things coming for the Crow ecosystem, guys. But let me read this quick article for you guys, just to see how bullish things are coming for Crypto.com and the CRO token and the CRO meme coins. Basically the whole CRO ecosystem. So it says Crypto.com launches U.S. institutional custody service. The move is part of an exchange broader plan to expand its U.S. presence following election of Donald Trump. Crypto.com has launched an institutional cryptocurrency custody service in the United States as part of a broader plan to expand its presence in the country. The crypto exchange said on December 23rd. Dubbed Crypto.com Custody Trust Company, the charter trust is eligible to custody assets for U.S. institutions and high net worth individuals. Digital assets held by Crypto.com's U.S. and Canadian customers will migrate to Crypto.com Custody Trust Company over the coming weeks. This is what the exchange said. This step reflects our confidence in the North American market. This is what Chris Marzalek, Crypto.com CEO, said in a statement. It also advances Crypto.com's roadmap for building our business and presence in two of the most important service and active crypto markets in the world, the US and Canada. Marzalek. So yeah, guys. And here one last thing. It says in December, U.S. President-elect Donald Trump met with Marja-elect at Trump's home in Mar-a-Lago to discuss crypto policies. So definitely, guys, as you see, the crypto.com CEO is in cahoots with Donald Trump. So I do see good things coming for CRO and its ecosystem. So don't miss out on Crow. Let's see Crow right now. That's the crypto.com's token. It's still a good price. 16 cents. I mean, it would have been better if we would have bought it at the 5 cents bear market low. But I mean, it's not too late. It's only at 200x. It's only at 200% above its bear market low. The market cap's still not bad. And look at BNB market cap. Market cap for Crow is 4 billion. But look at the potential it has. I think Crow is going to be the BNB this cycle. BNB, it mooned in the 2020 cycle. And I do believe Crow is going to moon this 2024-2025 cycle, guys. Look at the market cap of BNB, 101 market cap right now. So I do expect Crow to at least get, it could get as high as $100 billion market cap. I think Crow is going to be the BNB, it's going to moon similarly to BNB, like BNB mooned in 2020, guys. And don't miss out on the Crow ecosystem. I mean, let me just show you the number one meme coin for the Kronos blockchain is Crow with knife. I mean, it's a steal, guys. Crow, the CRO token on the last cycle, it didn't top out until November 2021. CRO was a late bloomer. It topped out with Bitcoin in November 2021, and I think it's going to do the same thing. I mean, Crow hasn't mooned a lot yet, but it moons until the end. It's one of those late bloomers, and I do believe Crow with knife is a steal right now at $31 million market cap. I think Crow with knife could easily get you $3 billion market cap, so that would be almost 100x from the prices today. So this is a little Christmas gift to you guys. Don't miss out on the Crow ecosystem, guys. I do believe Crow with knife and other meme coins could do really, really good. Let me show you one more meme coin that I like on the Kronos blockchain, Dip. This one only has an $8 million market cap. I mean, it's only up 100% from its bear market low. So I mean, it's a steal at $8 million market cap, guys. And I do believe the Kronos blockchain, it's actually a $7.41 million market cap. And I do believe the Kronos blockchain and its memes coins are going to do really good. Now, there's a lot of other meme coins that Kronos has, like Mary and other ones out there. So look into them, guys. Definitely, I do see good things coming for Crow, guys. So yeah, Crow with knife and Dip are some meme coins that I recommend that have really good chances of mooning and really low market cap. Dip only has 7.41 million market cap, and as you saw, Crow with knife only has $31 million market cap, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin. So stay bullish on the market, guys. Let me see, what's this other article? Oh, okay. I just want to go over this little other article before we end the live stream. It says analysts wouldn't be surprised if Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin in January. Ethereum's relative strength to Bitcoin could climb in January, which analysts say might trigger an Ethereum altcoin run. So that's what I was saying, guys. I showed you in the charts how how Ethereum usually goes parabolic, in January, and that's when it triggers the altcoin season, guys. Ether is showing signs of breaking out relative to Bitcoin in January 2025, according to crypto analysts. Trading views Ether's relative strength to Bitcoin. The ETH-BTC ratio is currently 0.0356, and MN Capital founder Michael Van de Poppe says in December 24 post that he wouldn't be surprised if ETH-BTC breaks to 0.004 in January. So ETH strength may set up an Ethereum altcoin run. The last time ETH-BTC ratio tapped 0.04 was on December 8 when ETH traded just above $4,000 psychological price level at 4,018. Van de Poppe price predicts there will be more inflow in Ethereum in January 2025. Bitcoin may see outflows leading to Bitcoin price consolidation. he expects this to set off an altcoin run in Ethereum ecosystem. Shiba Inu and Mantle, the second and third largest tokens in Ethereum ecosystem outside of stablecoins, have respectively risen 7% and 3.2% in the past 24 hours. So yeah, guys, basically, just what I was saying, guys. Like I showed you on the Ethereum chart, Ethereum starts going parabolic here at the end of the year, and at the beginning next year. I do expect Ethereum to start going parabolic either a few days before the end of the year this year, or a few days after New Year's, and that's going to trigger an altcoin rally, guys. Not only an Ethereum ecosystem rally, I think it's going to trigger an altcoin rally, guys. So yeah, let me show you also Total 3 since I got it up already. This is the Total 3. This is the total crypto, total market cap. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this chart shows all the altcoins except Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the total market cap, besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, is 987.3 billion. So it's starting to bounce back, just like Bitcoin and all the cryptos. But let me go back to the 2020 cycle, because this shows basically when the true altcoin season begins. Because no Bitcoin, no Ethereum, which is they're the biggest market caps. So let me go. Just give me a few seconds here while I get to the 2020 cycle, and we'll see what days the true altcoin season began in the 2020 cycle, which will give us some insight into maybe when the true altcoin season is going to start in this 2024 cycle, guys. So definitely, let's check it out. We're almost there. Okay, we're headed to the 2020 cycle, and we're just about there. Okay, one or a couple more seconds, and we should be there. All right, we're there, guys. All right, so here's the 2020 cycle, guys. So here's December 24th. Look, just like it's mimicking the same thing. The 20, like I've been saying, that this 2024 Bitcoin and crypto cycle is mimicking the 2020 Bitcoin and crypto cycle too. So this is the Total 3, which is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it has all so this is like more representative of the true altcoins, of all the altcoins. So definitely, it basically, bottomed out on December 23rd, just like Ethereum. Remember, Ethereum bottomed out in December 23rd, just like Ethereum. And then, and then it just went sideways for a few days. And then, basically, it went sideways. And then on January 3rd, it finally, started, trending upwards. And then just kept going up, from there for a little bit. And then, went sideways a little bit more. And then started, rallying, just going, making a few extra highs, but going sideways. And then it looks like, on January 29th, it made a new all-time high. And then, it just went parabolic after that. And it went parabolic, and it topped off until May 12th, 2021. But some altcoins are going to, moon before others. So definitely, you don't know which ones, but, so that's why you just got to, hold and have conviction in your coin. But I just want to show you how, basically, in the beginning of the January, by the end of the year, in the beginning of January, is when we start trending upwards on the Total 3, which is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. So basically, you see here, here's the new year right here. No, here's the new year right here, January 1st. So you see, we basically break it on January 4th. So January 4th is when we start going to new in the 2020 cycle. It was January 4th, 2021, when the Total 3, the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, basically the true altcoin market cap, January 4th is when it started making new all-time highs, and it just went, parabolic after that. Went parabolic, grinding up, and just went parabolic. So it was January 4th. But we don't know exactly what's going to happen in this cycle. Like I said, history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. It might come a little bit before. It might be, in the beginning of January, or it might be by the end of the year. we could start seeing a true altcoin season. So that's why I'm saying that the true altcoin season is going to start either a few days before the end of the year this year, or a few days after New Year's in 2025, guys. So either way, guys, I do see nothing but higher prices coming in for Bitcoin and altcoins, guys. I think these current local lows that we made for Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrency, they're gonna hold. I don't think we're gonna go lower than whatever lows your favorite cryptocurrency had. I do believe these local lows are gonna hold, guys. So remain bullish on the market, guys. Don't get shaken out in case we have one last quick shakeout, because the market maker loves to shake the weekends out, loves to shake out the fearful people. So don't get shaken out in case we have one last wick to the downside. If we do have one last shakeout, I do believe it'll be a quick V-shaped recovery. And by the end of the year, I do expect Bitcoin to be at a new all-time high. And I do expect the true altcoin season to begin sometime right before the end of the year, or a few days after New Year's, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on the market, guys. Have conviction on Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you'll reap the rewards in 2025, guys. All right, guys. I just want to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. Have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Well, I'll be here every day. I make daily videos, so I'll be wishing you a Happy New Year's on New Year's Day. But today I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I want to thank all the subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you might want to think about subscribing to the channel. I make daily videos on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Jasmy, and XLM, and I go over the crypto market in general. And if you're new, subscribe to the channel. If you don't know when how to ride the altcoin season, you might want to subscribe to the channel. I'll be letting people know when to exit on their favorite cryptos. You could ask me on the live chat questions. I'll do your favorite altcoin requests, and I'll help you guys out. If you guys don't know when to sell your favorite altcoin, if you're new, I'll give you guys some guidance on when to sell your favorite altcoin, or at least sell some of your positions to lock in some profits, guys. So yeah, guys, Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching the video. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow, guys. You guys have a great Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one.